Hey guys, I have here my wireless earbuds and my Android smartphone. And in case you're having the problem that for some reason your earbuds are really quiet and they should be much louder than they currently are, then that's usually because of two different reasons. And the first reason is inside of our Android phone. But in case you're using an iPhone, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner. But now let's have a look at our Android phone here. So I have here the Samsung phone. And we're going to go into the settings menu. The easiest way to go there or to get there is by swiping down on the top of the screen, and you see here this cogwheel icon. I'm going to click on that. That brings us straight to the settings menu. And quite at the beginning, at the top of the menu, you see here sounds and vibrations. So we're going to click on that. And then here we see volume. So we have this volume icon. Let's click on that. It brings us to this screen. And where we can set like the different volumes, so for ringtone and also for media. Right now for media you see this is really low, and for you this should be much higher. So if you're really trying to listen to it as loud as possible, then you should have this all the way to the right already. But that's not all. That's not all the settings that we want to look at. So there's another thing that's important, and that's here in the upper right corner. That's where you see those three little dots. So that's actually another menu, and we can click on that. So let's do that. And we see here media volume limit. So let's click on this now. This brings us to this screen. And here you see there is a media volume limiter in here. And right now this is activated. And you see here this custom volume limit is someplace in the middle. And if you want this to be much louder, then you just swipe this bar here, this slider, all the way to the right. Or you can also completely disable this feature by just, of course, pressing here on the on button and then turn this off. And now there will be no volume limit at all. So hopefully this already fixed your problem, and now you can listen to your earbuds a lot louder. But in case this did not fix your problem, and specifically if only one of the earbuds is quieter than the other, then it's most often a different problem, and that has to do here with this little opening where the sound comes out. So now we can just pull off this ear tip, and then we can see if this part is dirty, and how to clean that I'm going to explain to you in this video here, in the second video in the upper right corner. And so now if this is dirty, then that will definitely block the sound, and it will not be, the earbuds will not be as loud as they should be. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.